Hey guys, this is Akaya. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video, I will be showing you how I make my chicken noodle. Love making this meal. It's a quick and easy meal. You can also have a some leftover. You can be able to freeze it, and it can be a lot of people. So I am now just kind of showing you the different ingredients that I'll be using in my chicken noodles. I like to use different ingredients. I love to use this. I don't like to cut up my ingredients. I'm gonna be honest with you. So that's why I buy it already cut up. I buy it frozen also, and it makes it so much easier. So continue to watch, and I will show you how I make my quick and easy chicken noodles. And I like to add some corn too. You probably like, what? Corn? Yes, it tastes really good. So watch. Don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have a lot of how-to videos from food to cooking to beauty to everything. So go ahead and hit that subscribe and that bell so you'll know when I upload, and check it out. Okay. And if you do make this, let me know. Put it below. Okay, guys, continue to watch. I like to get the water tasting good. I add seasonings and stuff to the water before I even add the noodles and taste it to see if it's of your liking, because that makes the noodles taste good and everything else tastes good instead of just putting plain water in here. I put the bouillon cubes, powder in there, and all the other seasonings that I showed you inside of the water before I cook the noodles, and then once it boils, I put the noodles in. I'm going to try something new too, because I always let the noodles cook and then add everything. I am going to put the noodles inside, because I seen this recipe a long time ago. They put uncooked noodles, so I'm going to try new things. So always experiment. I'm going to put the uncooked noodles in there because it said it takes 10 minutes. The corn, I usually don't even use corn. Corn don't even go in chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodles, that's what I'm making, chicken noodle. Not chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle. But I'm putting it in there, and celery and carrots. Just doing something different. There's nothing wrong with doing something different. You might like it. Try it. Okay, so while that water is heating up, I'm about to get the cornbread together. Again, read the back of the direction because everybody's different. It depends on your brand. I'm going to read the back of the directions, get it together, put it inside of these muffin tins, and we'll be having jiffy cornbread too. Okay? Nice and boiling. So go ahead and add your noodles, add your corn, add your celery, depending on how long it takes for your noodles to get done. Mine say 9 to 10 minutes. Okay, because you want that celery cooked and not hard. And once it comes to a boil, put it on low and then add your other items. Keep it on low for however long it tell you on the packaged noodles, because every noodle is different. Okay, so there's all the veggies in there, the noodles in there, and just stir. Like I said, it'll be done in 10 minutes. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain this water, but not all of it, because this is going to be the water for the actual noodles too. Okay, so I got that cooking. I'm about to get the cornbread together, get that in the oven, and get all this stuff cleaned up. Make sure you always clean up as you go. And make sure you're trying stuff too to make sure it's to your seasoning, to your tasting. And then I'll come back and show you how to add the chicken and the cream of chicken soup and all that good stuff. Okay? Hey guys, the chicken is done and it smells so good. It's just something about baked chicken that I like better than boiled chicken. To me, I tried to boil chicken. I don't like the smell of boiled chicken. So I know you probably like, well, you could have boiled it too. I just like baking it. So it is done. I put it on 350 for 30 minutes. My celery, carrots, and noodles are done. And I'm about to pop in my cornbread now. Okay, let's go ahead and put the cornbread in. Okay, I'm going to let the chicken cool so I can be able to break it apart and put it inside of my, the little carrots and all that good stuff. So let the chicken cool, and then we're going to add everything together, and then we'll be done with our noodles. And it should be smelling so good because right now it smells so good in here. And I gave Rain some of the carrots. She was excited. So yes, dogs can have carrots. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and broke up the chicken. I used chicken tenderloin. You can use breast, wings, thighs, whatever you want. And I have my carrots and my noodles inside of here. I'm about to drain some of this juice out. First, add the chicken, and then I'm going to see how much juice need to come out. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the cream of chicken, soup over here, and just a little cornstarch just to make it thick. So I'm about to add everything. It tastes good and it smells good. Like I told you, make sure you try it as you are doing it. If you make that juice what's cooking taste good, everything else will taste good, okay? And like I said, I'm going to drain some of this water out, but I got my bowl right there, so I'm not letting it just go because I might use that juice. I'm going to keep it and just, you know what I mean. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm about to add that soup and stuff, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the noodles. I wanna see what I'm working with and just add as you see what you're working with, okay? Okay guys, always stick you a toothpick inside of here to make sure it is done, but I know it's done. There is the actual muffins. So now I'm about to again work on the noodles. Add your chicken. I want to add the chicken to like half of it so it won't just be chicken at the top. I'm gonna add the chicken and then I'm gonna add the noodles back on and see how much juice I need to add. Add my cream of chicken and just a little bit of cornstarch just to make it thick. Let's see, I still have my beautiful juices inside of this bowl versus just going down the sink, and I can add it as I go. You make it how wet you want it to be. The noodles, it's all up to you. Okay, now I'm gonna add the chicken, and now I'm gonna add the noodles, and then I'm gonna add some more chicken to it. Okay, go ahead and add your cream of chicken noodle soup too and get everything stirred up too. I forgot to tell you about the chicken noodle soup. The actual cream of chicken soup added to the mix. Okay, so I added it. And guys, it's so easy to make too much. So that's why I like to drain the noodles out and just add as I go, because to me, all those noodles was too much for us. But if you got a big family, it's cool. I'm about to go ahead and add some more of the other can of chicken. I'm going to add this cream of soup, and then I'm going to add the chicken and let it heat up, and it's done. So guys, hopefully that helps you. Okay guys, I am officially done, and it tastes so good. Like I said, you still got them juices if you want to add or keep them for next time and add it to like another dish that you do. This is the juices I'm talking about. Just put this in a jar and keep this, or pour it out, whatever you think. But I have so much more noodles still left. So you just measure out what you think your family go eat. I did, and this is perfect. You didn't have to, if you want to, you can cut up the carrots, you can cut up the celery. You know me, I buy it already pre-done. And guys, when I say this smells amazing, tastes amazing, and we also have some nice muffins. And I just put some butter inside of here. These are the honey cornbread muffins. Okay, guys, if you make that, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I didn't even have to use the cornstarch, guys. If you want to, you can just add just a little just to make it thick, but that cream of chicken done perfect. Okay, bye, guys.